YouTube!
Hello YouTube, like you like to say.
Good evening!
Well, it is our
last minute.
It's our last evening.
Then tomorrow we're going back home.
Are you
We're
excited?
going back home.
Yeah, Matthew wants to get back to his toys.
Yeah, he always misses his toys, but we are going to Magic Kingdom. Didn't know if we were going to be able to because of the forecast for rain, but it looks like it should be cleared up for the rest of the evening. So we're excited about that. We went ahead and snagged 3 fast passes, hoping also to see the Happily Ever After fireworks.
For the first time?
For the first time, yes.
Go to the bus.
All right.
Yay!
I'm so glad that we made it back to Magic Kingdom. It's fun to come here at the beginning, middle, and end.
Yeah, it is. Because we've taken some trips where we didn't start out here or where we didn't end here. And
I think now after, was it our February trip or something? It took us a while to get over to
Yeah.
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
And then on we decided we're going to start it and end it here.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to go ride Buzz Lightyear, and then after that we're hoping to get a good spot for the fireworks.
Happily ever after. Is it happily or happy?
It's called Happily Ever After.
What do they say in the song?
I don't know in the song if it says happily or happy. It's new, so we don't know it yet.
Kids are talking about who's gonna get a higher score. Oh yes, and no crane. We haven't saw any crane. Well, they're all at Hollywood Studios. They can't be over here. Well, lady. Oh, thank you. Matthew said, "Daddy, I love you."
What about Mommy?
I love you too, Matthew.
I love you too. And I love Hannah.
That was so sweet. Oh, thanks. YouTube or me? I couldn't. What was that?
I love my little Hannah.
Oh, thanks. We love you too, Mommy. Wow, the line for Buzz Lightyear. It said 30-minute wait, and I believe it. Are you gonna beat Zurg?
Yes, I will.
Are you gonna defeat the evil Emperor Zurg? All right. Star Command needs your help. Well, we're on Buzz, and my spinner's not, or my gun's not working, as you can see. So I'm letting Hannah drive us. Okay, Hannah, drive us. Wow! You got it? Yeah, now Hannah, go!
Seize them.
Matthew's all into it. Whoa!
Look, Daddy.
Wow!
I'm making those that way.
You are? Okay, that way. Go, Hannah, go. Uh-oh. All right, say cheese. Matthew, you did it. You defeated Zurg. Good job. So we just rode Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, Matthew. I mean, I did poorly, but we were just playing and spinning around a lot. But I got 3,500 and Matthew got 3,800. But I was just, and like, for the longest, I just didn't even shoot the whole thing.
Yeah.
We just were spinning around and like, wee.
I started off serious, and then I realized real quick that my gun was shooting, but the points weren't registering.
Yeah.
It was just, it wasn't working. And Hannah wanted to spin anyway, so I let her spin. And
Yeah.
now we're gonna go get a spot for the fireworks and happily
Hopefully
ever
we
after.
get a good spot.
Yep.
How goes it?
Starbucks was definitely piled up. But I got us some more refreshments. A strawberry refresher,
That is a good refreshment.
a grande with a double shot,
That's yours.
and 2 waters.
Couple waters for all our running around later.
And normally we get the cups of water, you can get that for free.
Yeah.
But these are more convenient. Right now I'm just going to pay for convenience.
Right. Because we have flimsy cup holders, like
We do,
it's
the
more for like bottles.
And this
Water.
one's good to fill up the kids' cups, and then we can drink them.
It's what the kids are doing right now.
We've definitely bought more bottled waters this trip than we ever have because we normally don't. It's so convenient.
It is.
It's hard to push a stroller, carry a cup of water, and camp it. With a bottle, you can just chunk it in the stroller and keep rolling.
Chunk and go.
And now the kids can drink out of bottles. Like
Yeah.
Okay, mate.
Here's our spot right now. So we're right down the middle here. And you can see Walt and Mickey up there, so we're not that far away, and got a good little spot, I think.
We do.
But it started piling up pretty quick. We got here probably like 8:10, 8:10, I'd say.
What time was
There it is. We got a good spot.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
They just made us move up.
Yeah.
So they're packing us in here like sardines.
Many people having strollers is you can kind of create a little buffer area
Yeah.
with the strollers.
Are you ready?
You will. They'll be on the castle.
Now on the castle, we'll get to see the characters. You get to hear all the music that you love. Maybe Moana will be on there with Moana's song. Could that be cool? It's so crowded. Crazy crowded. We can switch. We'll take turns. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Are you excited?
Every step we take brings a new
You love it.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way.
You love it and you're not scared anymore? Whoa.
That's my favorite song.
It is? Who do you see up there?
Tiana.
You see Tiana? You love Tiana, don't you?
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. It's calling to me, so come find me. Let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? And no one knows.
Sing it, baby.
Is there going to be more?
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the roads
we change by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Fireworks are awesome. Happily
Yeah.
ever after. I really love it.
I loved it. Kids are playing pirates with grass.
Super crowded. Also, it's good to note whenever you get a spot, they will come through about 5 minutes till, I guess, make everybody stand up and move closer. So we had to move a couple of times to get up
At
front.
least that's what they're doing now.
Yeah, that's what they're doing now. But we're gonna go ride Peter Pan and see what else we can do.
60 minutes on Peter Pan, or it was 60 minutes ago.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's still 60 minutes.
yeah. Fast Pass backed up. We'll see how long it takes. I've never did it when it's backed out to here before.
I think we have.
Maybe one. Yeah, we did. We did it one time. Seemed like it moves through pretty quick though.
Is this all fast pass?
I don't think so. I don't know. Could be. Soar high above the rooftops of London aboard a pirate galleon on an adventure to Neverland. Look at them, just hanging there.
I know. Teasing and taunting. Are you excited to ride Peter Pan? Yeah. All right. Yay! Whoa! Thank you. She sprinkled the pixie dust so the bar would come down. Who is that, Wendy? Tinkerbell, look at her. Do you see? Look, there's Tink. Is that fun? The next ride is Winnie the Pooh. Or maybe Teacups and then Winnie the Pooh. Yeah? Alrighty, so we finished up at Peter Pan and
It was fun. We rode separate this time.
it was fun. Yeah, I didn't want to have to put Hannah like on our laps since it's been a little hot.
We've been riding together a lot.
But it was really sad because there's this girl who got sick
Yeah.
in front of us and it was pitiful, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was pretty,
And it was like
yeah.
bad.
They kind of closed down that part of the queue and rerouted people around it.
They handled it really
yeah,
well
they
to get
did.
everybody around because I was like,
Yeah.
because otherwise it was like in right where you would have to go to get
Right.
on and
Yeah. Even the
and around.
CMs, they were like holding their nose. but
Yeah.
They were apologizing, and when we got off Peter Pan, at least they had it covered up. We're trying
Yeah.
to clean it up, but felt bad for the guest that,
know.
you know, she'd waited in the line and just, I guess, was nauseous. So
Well, you know you would be embarrassed too.
Right,
It's
that's
really
true,
sad.
too.
But I mean, you can't help it if you get sick.
you get sick,
Yeah.
But we're on our way to Winnie the Pooh.
I'm glad that that didn't happen to you when we came in
Oh, yeah,
December
Donnie.
because
Oh,
you got
yeah.
sick at your stomach and
I was
Matthew
at the
too.
bus stop and I felt like that, and I was like,
And it was
oh
just you
Lord.
and Matthew too. I'm glad that you didn't.
Yeah, I made it to the room though,
Yeah, didn't get sick.
but I wasn't.
out.
I didn't know I was on the bus thinking I was going to lose it then. But
Yeah.
it was just sometimes it happens, even at Disney.
Thankfully, we're all good and well here, and we're going to go to
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh and maybe Teacups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's Winnie the Pooh doing? You said he was looking in the mailbox. Yes. It is. The letters are going out. It's a windy, blustery day. It's Kanga and Room. What? It is. Beware. Yeah, the woozles.
Honey was a cute.
That's a woozle. And a Hufflepuff. And a Gryffindor. They're stealing all of Winnie the Pooh's honey. You don't love that one?
Everyone gathered together to say,
Winnie the Pooh. Oh, bump. What, babe?
I said after, right, till we play the game.
Yeah. Hello. Is Winnie the Pooh home?
All his lights glowing at the top.
I see the bee. Do you see the picture of the bee? Bzzz. Hey, wait a second. Hello. Hello. Matthew. Hello. Who's at the window?
Hello.
Hey, Hannah. What are you doing?
Would you like to come in our house?
Yes. Can I come in, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me say the magic word.
What's the magic word?
Doodle.
Hoodoo.
Now you can come in.
Okay, thanks. We said the magical word.
What was it?
Hoodoodle.
Doodle.
Wow, it's a treehouse.
I'm going to be Winnie the
Come here, Matthew.
Pooh. I'm going to be Winnie the Pooh.
You're gonna be Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah, who's going to be?
Hey, Pooh Bear. I'm Piglet.
Matthew, stay in the house.
Who's Matthew and Dad going to be?
Tigger.
I'm Christopher Robin.
You're Eeyore.
I'm not gonna be anybody.
Oh.
But it's just me.
My name is Eeyore.
Matthew, come here.
I'm Winnie the Pooh.
Where's your honey, Winnie the Pooh? I would like some.
They're right here.
Oh, mine. All mine. I'm taking it from you.
Tigger.
Here's some honey.
unexpected company. If you're company, I'm sorry, I'm not answering the door today. Try again tomorrow.
Not answering the door today.
Hey, he always did that.
He does. Oh, here's Eeyore's Gloomy Place. Look, you wanna do this one? You wanna go over here and see some more? Look, can you pull on this one? Pull on it. Look, the gophers are coming up. Did you see them? Let's see what this does. Look.
Hey there.
Look, they popped up. Eee.
Watch where you're stepping.
You like spinning the wheel? Wow. Hey, there's Hannah. You made it. There's Matthew.
That was cute because I didn't know that was there.
Yeah. You want to go ride the teacups? Are you going to spin around? Are you? You going to go fast? Are you going to spin really fast?
And I'm gonna do it really fast.
Super Matthew muscle?
Yeah.
Hannah's going to do it too. You going to do it, Hannah? Is that fun? teacups.
Oh, some more lanterns out here in the tree.
There are. I really like these lanterns they got.
We don't get to see them as much lit up at night, and I don't know, I just really noticed the lanterns. I thought,
Here we go. We're on the barnstormer.
yeah!
Yay! Say bye-bye. Wow. We can see everything. You can. Hold on. Super magic speed. Wow. Well, have y'all had fun, kids?
Have a good trip, Hannah.
Uh-huh. Yeah. They're tired. It's like 11:30, I guess. 11:40.
Yeah,
It's okay.
actually, technically extra magic hours right now.
Yeah.
Oh, Matthew could be silly. We did a pretty good bit. I really enjoyed the Epcot, flower and garden
It was
stuff.
so much fun.
Yeah.
The snacks and everything.
And me and you will be back in
7 days.
7 days.
Yeah.
So, well, I guess we're just going to wrap it up here, and we'll see you guys next time for some more
Magical moments. Bye.
Say
Say bye-bye.
Do you want me to take y'all's picture?
No, thank you. We're just closing our vlog out. Yeah.